Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Henry Ford Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.henryford.com/connect. After you come across this official page, click on Login to Employee Self-Service option. Here, you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account and a valid password. If you do not remember your login details, then click on Contact IT button. Then after entering your details, click on Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Henry Ford Employee Portal. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.